Hello, welcome back to the next installment. I had to do this video in time lapse. I was one of the 100,000 people that was without power from the 50-mile-an-hour winds we had over the weekend. Here I'm installing the exhaust manifold, and was trying to show you there's thick washers that go in between each cylinder location. You'll see the split in the manifold between the cylinders, the intake and exhaust for each one. The washer will go where the cylinders are split in the manifold, and they take a brass nut for securing. Here I'm putting in the spark plugs. I was going to try and show you that it takes a 7/8 inch socket. And unfortunately I had a fuel leak coming out of the sediment bowl. Here I'm putting the fan on. I made a mistake and put the washer and nut behind the bracket. The washer actually goes on the shaft before you install the fan on the bracket, and the nut's captured on the bracket. Okay, unfortunately, I think my ignition switch was bad. You saw me checking with the test light towards the end there. I think my switch is bad. The magneto switch, what it actually does is shorts out the magneto so you don't get spark. I wasn't getting spark, and I was checking the switch in the on and off position, and I was getting no change in the reading. So it was getting late. I had to do time lapse like I said earlier. I had my generator running. I didn't think you guys would want to listen to the generator noise in the background. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next installment and see if we can get some spark out of that, or if I might have to take apart the magneto and do a rebuild. Thanks again. See you on the next one. Truck Driving Mylan out.